Hi everyone, I'm Nevrie, and on this video I want to show you how to embed reviews on a Squarespace website. Before we get started, please make sure you generate your reviews from your Google location or Facebook page. And once you have them here, you can apply different layouts, different filters, and different customization options. Once you're done, make sure to save the changes and just get the code. Once the code is copied, go to your Squarespace dashboard. And when embedding the code on Squarespace, you have two options: to embed it on an existing page and to embed it on a completely new page, which will be a dedicated page for your reviews only. So let's go with the first example, embed the reviews on an already existing page. So I have this test page here. It's called Projects. Click on Edit and find the section of your page where you want to display the reviews. In this example, I'll try to embed them here. Click on this little sign and choose Embed. Okay, on the new pop-up, make sure you click the code sign and just paste the code you got from Embed Reviews. Click Set and click Apply. And now to actually see the changes, you'll need to click Save here on the top left. Perfect. So here are the reviews we just embedded. So now I will show you the example on creating a totally new page, which will be a dedicated page to your reviews only. So on main navigation here, click on the plus sign and select blank page. This will create a new page. So you'll need to put a name. And same as we did with the previous one, click on Edit and just add the content. Add a blank section. Okay, and same as we did with the previous one, click on the sign here, click on Embed. On the pop-up, click on the code sign again and paste the code you got from Embed Reviews. Click Set, click Apply, and lastly, click on Save. Okay, so this is a dedicated page to the testimonials only. So that's it. It takes very little of your time and it's very easy to do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our chat or send us an email.